And then we will talk about making sense of the matter. Once the coffee is poured and the tip of the cigarette is lit and placed in the ashtray, then we will address the matter. We focus our attention when the time comes. When the coffee has been poured
and the cigarette has been lit, yeah, but sometimes these things, they can't wait.
Well, that's a common mistake.
What is?
Not to wait until the coffee is poured and the cigarettes are lit.
Look, this tradition, this matter of doing things in neat little boxes, it's a matter of making urgency wait, is what it is. I get the feeling that following these guidelines, these instructions of waiting for the coffee to be poured and all that is only going to get in the way of what I'm trying to tell you.
Now, I'm going to light this, and I'm going to wait for the coffee to be poured, because that is the correct order of business. And I'm going to make myself comfortable first, and I think you ought to do the same thing. Otherwise, this thing of urgency that you have to tell me, it's going to be like a conversation in two passing cars on a highway. Yeah, you're right. It is a matter of tradition, and that's why we have these things. That's why we have this coffee and these cigarettes. You understand? I'm talking about our bonfires for today. Look, you have something to tell me, something you want to say.
Yes.
So we're going to sit around our bonfire of coffee and cigarettes, and you're going to share your story. But we wait until the coffee is poured. Good. Now, what is it over cigarettes and coffee here in the middle of this desert, along this highway, in this place? What is it that you want to tell me?
I went to Las Vegas this weekend.
Oh.
Isn't that just the way it is? Does that say something to you? My ass, this isn't some kind of metaphor, some kind of symbol. You spilling the water.
Look, will you please leave me alone?
No, I wouldn't do that, would I? I wouldn't be smart enough to do that. That would be the smart thing to do. But I'm just not that damn intelligent. I don't have enough brain cells in my head to leave you alone. I hope you like that food. I hope that food's what you like. No, eat up, really. Go fill up on it. I hope you enjoy every single last drop of that, because that's it, babe. Now you're gonna know the feeling of not knowing where the next meal's coming from.
Look, I have in my head what I have done, and that alone is killing me. I can't take any more of these insults, baby, please.
You won't take my insults? No. You will take my insults. You took my money, and you will take my insults. You'll take my insults and my rage and any other emotional spaz I feel like, and that'll be you getting off very easy. Two sips, and you're gone. And you're there. And you don't even know how to play the game, and you don't even know the rules. I want to know what the hell was going on in that pretty little head of yours when you stepped up to a big green craps table. Whee! Huh?
Well, look, please, this is no way for us to spend our honeymoon.
I didn't think anything of it. I gave it to him. We were always doing things like that for one another.
Yeah, is he there? This is Bill. Who the fuck is this? All right. Asshole. Yeah. Yeah, I told you last week. Last Thursday. Yeah. No, no. Look, I told him, all right? I told him. Well, that's the way it is, right? What? Yes. When the moon was full. When the moon was full and the dogs were barking. No, 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 no. What? I don't think so. It's a matter of opinion, isn't it? They were what? With that? They used that? Are you serious? 2 nickels and a dime? No shit. No fucking shit. All right. I'll tell you. Are you ready? Because I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you exactly what happened. Are you ready? Here it is.
Well, your story, it's a sort of concept that, it can be full of that kind of speculation.
Speculation? Coincidence, speculation, right and wrong. You must have more of a feeling than just speculation.
I'm not sure at this point.
What, you want to hear it again?
Possibly, yes. Second time will either confirm its validity or brighten its silliness.
Whoa. I think you're getting something screwed up here. I've come to you as a friend for advice, right? And you are my friend. And you're questioning me like you're testing my ability to be able to...
I think telling the story again will help you to see it more clearly.
It's already clear to me.
And why have you told me?
To get your advice.
Advice?
Yeah, on what to do.
Good. I'm glad you're not coming to me for advice on what you should believe. That's your decision, and there is a difference.
I know what to think. It's just that even while telling you all this right now, I'm starting to question the whole thing myself.
All right. Let's hear your story again.
Okay. When I'm gambling, when I'm gambling in Vegas and I start to lose, sometimes I'll step outside. I'll smoke a cigarette. I'll take in some fresh air. I'll look at the lights. A lot of little things I do like a ritual. Sometimes I'll take a bill out of my pocket. All right, usually a 20, maybe a 10, but it's usually a 20. It doesn't matter how this started. It doesn't matter. But I'll take this bill out of my pocket and I'll write my name across the back of it. It's just one of these things that I do. I believe it will work as a good luck charm. I take that bill back inside and I bet it on anything. I bet it on craps, blackjack, roulette. It doesn't matter. This is what I usually do.
And?
I don't make it back into the casino. I run into my friend Steve from Portland. My best friend. The best man at my wedding. The man who my wife and I have come to vacation with. He asked if he can borrow a 20. I gave it to him. He said he was going next door to play craps.
You see that? See how the money goes away? Never to be seen again. It's gone, honey. Money's gone. Bye-bye money. You can't bring it back, and I can't bring it back. Oh, hell. Unless we go back to your perfect little world and step up to a big fucking craps table and roll the dice, Yes, 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 yes. Don't cry. Look, I'm just talking about how things are in a perfect world.
Well, this isn't a perfect world.
No, the fuck, it's not a perfect world. It isn't.
God, fuck you. Fuck you. I don't believe that. And then what happened?
I went back into the casino. I thought nothing of it. I knew he'd pay me back. We had plans to meet our wives back at my room before dinner. He said he was going next door to play craps. At 7 o'clock, I went back to the room. I went back to the room at 7 o'clock. And Patricia, my wife, was there. But Steve and his wife, Linda, weren't. Patty said that they were going to be meeting us later. She said that Steve called saying they were going to be meeting us at 8 o'clock. Not 7 o'clock, but 8 o'clock. My wife went to the bathroom. I started to change my shirt, and I saw it. Between the bed and the nightstand, no, on the night, between the bed and the nightstand on the floor, I saw it.
Yes?
I saw the $20 bill with my name on it. Right there, between the bed and the nightstand. I saw it. And it scared me. My head started to fill up with all these terrible thoughts. I began to lose the line between what was my imagination and what was really...
And this is why you're telling me.
Yeah.
To verify your sanity and your concern.
It's a $20 bill with my name on it. I'm not a fool.
Oh, no, you're not a fool.
But I do feel irrational.
That's understandable.
I want to kill my wife. I want to kill Steve. I want to kill them both.
Not literally.
No, not literally, no.
Okay. So, did you ask your wife about this?
No,
Where's the $20 bill?
I took it. I played it.
You gambled it?
Yeah.
And it brought you no luck.
No, I won almost $8,000 with it.
I should have realized from the day I asked you, from the day I said, will you be my wife?
You won't let me forget anything.
What did I do? Like a fool, I went out and I bought a ring. I sat you down on the bed. And I hid the ring in one of my hands. And I asked you, guess which hand? And what did you do? You picked the wrong hand. This is my last cigarette. I'm really gonna enjoy this last cigarette. Well, it's funny that it would be a lucky strike.
I put my heart on my sleeve for my wife. You know that. You've seen it. But this is my fault. It's something I've done. I want to get it back. I want to make it right again.
You can't think like that.
Oh, you don't understand.
You can't get back yesterday or the day before or even this morning.
I know that. That's the whole thing. That's the whole point of this story.
And that's the way it is. Yes. I will speak to you tomorrow, or the next day, or the day after that. Yeah. Well, I guess that's it then. I want some black coffee for the thermos and a pack of cool filter canes for me.
I'll get this.
May I have one of your cigarettes?
How much?
$3.50.
Everything will be fine. Everything will come right in the end.
There's something I need to tell you.
Out of 20.
I need for you to hear this as a friend. Please don't be shocked.
Okay?
I have this friend, and he knows this man. He's a stranger to me. And they call him Bill. And, Bill's in the business of,
What?
I want to kill my wife. I want to kill Steve. I want to kill them both.
But not literally.
Keep the change.
This is a very delicate situation.
Help me. Please. I can't let this happen. I can't let my wife and friend be killed. I know I can't get back yesterday or even this morning. That's the whole thing. That's why I'm telling you all this.
I understand.
I'm really scared. I don't want this to happen. But I think, I know. It's too late. I'm sorry that this is too much. I don't think I can live with the thought of what I've done, what I've asked for. Can you help me?
Almost home, Stevie.
We should go.
don't know how much I'm able to help you, but I will say this. Just drink your coffee, smoke your cigarette, because that alone will make everything right.
More coffee?
Nope, no thanks. No more coffee.